Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
Well, now I humbly request Wing Commander Kotapati Radha Krishna Garu to please step forward and speak a few words.
Good morning, Hyderabad Cycling Revolution. Yeah, I am Wing Commander Radha Krishna. I served in the Air Force for about 23 and a half years, working in the corporate world. It's a proud occasion. I've been part of the Hyderabad Cycling Revolution for I think more than 3 years now. Not been very active because of other commitments in terms of this thing, but whenever there is an event, I make sure that I'm here. So it's a very important occasion where the cycling community in Hyderabad decided to make this an occasion and felicitate or honor the armed forces and the paramilitary forces personnel who are serving the nation. In my opinion, every citizen is serving the nation in their own manner. And best service to the nation is to love your nation. Nation comes first, everything else is afterwards. That's the most important message that all of us should remember. Nothing can beat the motherland that takes care of us in all aspects. And it swells, the hearts swell with pride when we say that we are part of this country, India or Bharat, the way we call it. Irrespective of the force that we are from, we have all done our bit, and each one of you standing here, you have done your bit for being part of your society, being part of this thing, good citizens. And June 3rd is the actually World Cycling Day. Otherwise, nice weekend to commemorate this occasion and World Cycling Revolution. The oldest and the best mode of transport is the cycling, and I really I know very few names. Selvam, who's considered the, what is he considered, cycling community? Okay, mayor of the cycling community. And Ravi, I know, Anjani, Radha, a few names I know. I'm sorry, they're very, very important contributors. Such a selfless contribution that they're doing it for this particular community and for Hyderabad in general. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be on the dais. And children, all of you, very happy to see you. A big round of applause for these kids who I'm sure are motivated to serve the nation. Thank you very much. Thank you, Beta. The message, kids, thank you very much for giving this occasion. Over to you. I didn't get your name, I'm sorry.
Sabrina.
Sabrina, thank you.
Okay, I didn't introduce myself either. So, well,
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.